Welcome. If you've recently updated your Pinterest app on your PC and want to enable using data from the sites you visit, you're in the right place. This new feature helps Pinterest tailor your experience more closely to your interests by integrating information from your browsing habits. Let's walk through the simple steps to turn this on. First, open the Pinterest app on your PC. Once you're in, look to the left side of the screen. You'll see a menu bar with various icons. Find and click on the gear icon. This is your gateway to settings. After clicking the gear icon, you'll enter the settings menu. From here, navigate to the section labeled Privacy and Data. This is where Pinterest lets you control how your information is handled and what data is used to improve your experience. Inside Privacy and Data, look for the option that says Use info from sites you visit. This setting allows Pinterest to collect and utilize your browsing data from other websites. To activate it, simply check the box next to this option. Once you've checked the box, don't forget to save your changes. Look for the Save button, usually at the bottom or top of the settings panel, and click it. This ensures your preference is recorded and the new data usage setting takes effect immediately. And that's it. By following these straightforward steps, you've enabled Pinterest to use information from the sites you visit, helping the app show you more personalized content and recommendations. Remember, you can always revisit these settings if you want to adjust your privacy preferences later. Enabling this feature can make your Pinterest experience more dynamic and relevant to your tastes, so give it a try and see what new ideas and inspirations come your way. Thanks for watching.